Hello, this is Dino, and that is a typical 36-inch sink base cabinet, and I am going to show you how you can put our 36-inch sink in there with very little effort. If you look at the cabinet, you're going to see that there are corner gussets in the back. I've removed the ones in the front. They're not necessary at all. They're there mostly for shipping. Once it's installed, you don't need them. And then it looks like I use a hatchet, but kind of did. You just route down the area. You can see that little notch right there where the sink is going to go. You just route it down 1/16 of an inch and it drops right in place. We're going to show you in just a moment. Okay, I have placed the sink in the cabinet. If you notice, it comes out a little bit further than the actual box, but no further than the face frame there. And if you look here, that is flush right there. That's what we're looking for. And now we're going to set the top on there. And there you go, folks. It's installed. And it fits beautifully in a 36-inch cabinet. There's the finished product minus a faucet. And you really should consider a water stone faucet.